My name is Tejumade Afonja and I'm from Nigeria. I work at InStudy as an AI software engineer. InStudy is an AI startup. We build AI for enterprise. But as a community builder, I co-organized and co-founded AI Saturday Lagos. We are planning to democratize artificial intelligence for Africa, but starting in Nigeria, in Lagos. And what we do there is that we go through a curriculum for 16 consecutive Saturdays. Each 16 Saturdays entails one cohort, and for a year we do 2 cohorts. And an example of what we do at a Saturday is that we go through a course, say Introduction to Machine Learning by Andrew Ng, or Computer Vision by Stanford, Introduction to Computer Vision, Stanford. So we have both beginners and intermediate classes. Strictly speaking from what my interest is, and that's education. I'm very passionate about AI education in Africa. And I think that the AI agenda could, there's no talent, Africa talent, blah, blah, blah. But the truth is that we need to build this talent ourselves. And I do believe that by community like ours, whereby we go through curriculum and like very, very strict curriculum, that we are able to train people and able to democratize AI and ship it to the world, use it in Africa. 2, one is what I'm currently doing. I consider it as a project, and it's my community. I take very much pride in it. I would like to extend it, meaning that not just Lagos, getting the right funding to be able to support other local community AI Saturdays in other parts of the world, and because I see the way they're trying to build community like ours, and funding has been a very, very big struggle. And so I think that I could be able to do something about that by getting funding. We are able to decentralize this fund to people that need it, and able to build our educational structure from these communities. And the second one would be ChildNet. It's a project we started working on at AI Saturday Lagos. The idea is that we want to build African AI image data set, so food image data set. We started that, and we've been very slow at building it because of the capacity. You need to take pictures of food, and there needs to be some structure. And I truly believe that this kind of project could shape a lot of things, because you truly understand people sometimes by the way they eat, and because of the cultural linkage to food. And so that's why. And also imagine maybe now I'm a foreigner in Kenya, so imagine I go there and I take a picture of the food, and I'm able to understand what the food is. A lot of time I know a lot of people come, you don't know what you're eating basically when you go to a new place. You're like, okay, this is this, so but what does it entail? So we were thinking that for such projects, especially in Africa is so beautiful. We have a lot of beautiful food, and research has shown that we have one of the most nutritional delicacies. So why not showcase these delicacies? And we need to collect data basically. So that would be another thing I would work on.